Now, we are going to learn how to remove items from a list in Python. Just like you can add new items, Python also allows you to delete, pop, or clear items from a list with full control. Let's try this step by step inside the same file, list demo. Let's create a list called colors equals within square brackets, within double quotes red, within double quotes green, within double quotes blue, within double quotes yellow, and within double quotes purple. Now print the list to see what we've got. Let's type print within brackets colors. Next, run the program and you can see the output: red, green, blue, yellow, purple. Next, let's say we want to delete the item green. We use the remove squad method, which deletes by value. Let's type colors.remove within brackets within double quotes green. Then we print the list again, print within brackets colors. This will remove the first occurrence of green from the list. Next, run the program and you can see the output: red, blue, yellow, purple. Notice here the green color is removed from the list. This is how we use the remove method to remove an item by value from a list. Now let's say we want to remove an item by its position, not its value, that is the index. For that we use the pop method. Let's remove the item at index 2, which is yellow. Let's type colors.pop within brackets number 2. Then we print the list, print within brackets colors. Next, run the program and you can see the output: red, blue, purple. So pop removed the third item, which was yellow, based on its index. If you call pop without any index, Python will remove the last item. Try this: colors.pop with empty brackets. Print it again, print within brackets colors. Next, run the program and you can see the output: red, blue. Python removed purple because it was the last item. Finally, let's say you want to remove all items from the list but still keep the list itself. That's where clear method comes in. Let's type colors.clear with empty brackets. Now print it, print within brackets colors. Next, run the program and you can see the output: empty square brackets, an empty list because all the items are gone. Let's review what methods we use to remove the items. First, remove deletes by value. Second, pop deletes by position. Third, clear removes everything, leaving an empty list. All of these are useful depending on what kind of removal you need.